أسمو وأجتاز السماء جلالا
RK Mushaira Media.
Today I want to talk about basic thing of Islam. My first question is what is Islam, and my second question is who is the Allah, and my third question is who is the Prophet Muhammad, and my last question is who is the Hafiz Quran. Based on this Jalsa. My first question is what is Islam? Islam is the monotheistic religion. What do you mean by monotheistic religion? Monotheistic religion means mono means one and theistic means belief. Two words merge. That is called a monotheistic religion. And monotheistic religion, Hinduism is a monotheistic religion because several gods in Hindu religion, but in Islam is a one God. This is called a monotheistic religion. And my second question is who is the Allah? Allah is the Arabic name. That means the God. Allah means the God. And my third question is who is the Prophet Muhammad? Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, and he is the protector and survivor, leader, political leader of the Islam. And my last question is who is the Hafiz Quran? Hafiz Quran. Hafiz means the protector. What protector? The protector of the Quran. That is called a Hafiz Quran. Whose person are memorized whole Quran. What is Quran? Quran is the holy book of Islam. Whole Hafiz Quran. What is Hafiz Quran? Whose person has memorized whole Quran, that is called a Hafiz Quran. Assalamu alaikum.